Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School online classes. Today, here I am with class 4 mathematics. Name of the chapter is Factors and Multiples. This is the eighth part of this chapter. In this video, I will tell you about the prime factorization. As in the previous video, I will told you about the prime numbers. The number which has only two factors is called the prime number. So, in prime factorization, we are dividing the composite numbers and one by one, and a composite number is written as the product of the prime factors. Here, the definition was given. The method of expressing a composite number as the product of prime factors is called prime factorization. So, some of the steps that we are following to find the prime factorization. Number one, the method of expressing a composite number as the product of prime factor is called the prime factorization. This one I have already told you. Now that means the composite numbers, those have more than two factors like 6, 8, 9, 15. These are the composite numbers. So when we are finding the prime factorization of these composite numbers, so first step is that find the least prime number by which the given number is divisible, or resolve the number into the factors, taking this prime number as one of them. So what we are doing, we are starting from the smallest prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. So first we are finding the given composite number is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, then we are dividing and writing the as a factor 2 into the quotient whatever comes. Then again that quotient is divided. If it is divided by 2, again it is divided by 2, otherwise it is divided by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. In this prime factorization, we are taking only the prime numbers. Then resolve the second factor further into the 2. As I told you, as I am taking the factor of 10. So 2 multiplied by 5. So 5, 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. So this one is the prime factorization of 10. The go on splitting. So if the number is the larger one, we are splitting the number again and again as many times as the all the numbers that are given are the prime numbers. Then circle the prime factors. Here I have given the example. Find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers by building factor tree. I have taken one of the number, first 36. So 36, 2, when 36 is divided by 2, 18 is the quotient. 2 multiplied by 18, 36. Here we are using the division algorithm. आपका रिमाइंडर जब जीरो आता है तो आपका क्या होता है, quotient divisor into quotient that is equals to dividend. तो अब ये 2 तो प्राइम नंबर आ गया, इसको हमने सर्कल कर लिया. 18 कंपोजिट नंबर है, इसको फिर से स्प्लिट करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम 2 से ही करेंगे. जब तक 2 से होगा तब तक किसी और नंबर से हमें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो अगेन 18 2 की टेबल में आता है, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9, 2 9 सा 18. देन 9 2 की टेबल में नहीं आता, तो नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर हमारा क्या है, 3. देन 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, दैट इज 9. So I have circled all the prime numbers and we are writing the prime factors as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. When we are multiplying all these four factors, then our answer is 36. In the same way, we are doing the prime factorization of 84. So first 84 is divided by 2, 42 comes. Then this 42 is again divided by 2, then 21 comes. This 21 is not divisible by 2, so the next prime number is 3. So I am dividing 21 by 3, so 7 comes. So the prime factors are 2, 3, 3, 7. So it is written as 84 is equals to 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 7. When we are multiplying all these four factors, it will be equals to 84. When we are multiplying the prime factors, prime factorization, then it will be equals to the given composite number. But when we are multiplying all the factors, it will not be equal to the given numbers. Only when the numbers we are writing the prime factorization, then only it will be equal to the given number. So here is the exercise. Find the prime factorization of each of the following by building a factor 3. In here I have solved two or three questions for you. So question number 1, 48. I am finding the prime factorization of 48. The first I have taken 48. So here for I am dividing the 48 by 2. When I am dividing 48 by 2, our quotient is 24. So I have written the quotient here. Then this one is the composite number. Again I am dividing the 24 by 2. Then 12 comes. I have written 12 here. So here in every case you are writing the quotient. Then again 12 is divided by 2, then 6 comes. Then 6 is divided by 3, 2, 3 comes. So 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. These are the prime factors of 48. Fact. So now we are writing the factor 3. Composite numbers are written in the rectangular boxes and the prime numbers are circled one. So first 24 into 2, 24 into 2. Then 24 into 12, then 2 into 12, 24. Then 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 3, 6. So I have circled all the prime numbers. So this is the way you are writing this division is your rough work, but without this thing you are not able to find the next composite numbers. So divide the numbers, then you are finding the next composite numbers. For example 63, if I am taking 63, 63 is not divisible by 2. So what we are doing, we are taking the next prime number, that is 3. So when we are dividing 63 by 3, 21 is the quotient I have written here. Then 21 is divided by 3, 7 comes. So this one is the factor 3, 63, 3 into 21. Then 21, 3 into 7. 3, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of the numbers. Here in this question, someone asked me, ma'am, why you have not written the prime factorization? Because in your question it is asked to draw the factor tree, not to write the prime factorization. That's why I have not written the prime factorization. Factors of 100, prime factors of 105. So first, I have taken when we will see 0 or 5, that means it is divisible by 5. So we have first divide by 5. 5 से divide किया 105 को तो 21 आ गया. Then 21 3 की टेबल में आता है, 3 7s are 21. So now we are writing this same prime factors in the factor tree. 105, 5 multiplied by 21, then 21, 3 multiplied by 7. So these circle numbers are prime numbers and the numbers in the rectangular boxes are the composite numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.